Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Antonia. Hope you guys are doing well. Today I have another Louis Vuitton unboxing to share with you guys. I know I'm doing a lot of Louis Vuitton, but there's just like stuff that I really like. I'm really into all their first of all, the Murakami stuff was wow. Obviously, I loved all the Murakami stuff. I even still have stuff on my wish list from them. But second, I love anything that's like a little bit more quirky and fun in terms of Louis Vuitton because they just make it really fun. So I picked something up. I actually got this shipped to me because I ordered it through the app. However, I already threw out the packaging and everything that it came in, and I already did unbox it. But just so you guys know, it did come with the receipt. It came with the box. It came beautifully packaged. This is my first time getting a box like this, where it has like this, not a magnet, but I don't know what that is. It just sits. It's like this button, but it's not a really a button. It's kind of weird. So I don't really know, because I know people were complaining about the boxes. I have tons of the regular boxes because I still keep that stuff. But yeah, this is the first time I'm getting a box like that. It's not the most beautiful, but I guess now they don't have to produce things with magnets and whatever. So came with a receipt. I have a dust bag for it, but I already started, I already opened it and started planning how to use it. So anyways, I just wanted to share the packaging because, you know, that's always fun. But the dust bag, it came in a dust bag that looks like this. So can you guess what I purchased? Okay, I'll just show you guys. It's the Catagram Desk Agenda. I love this thing. So you guys saw in a previous video that I bought a pre-loved vintage, actually is it vintage? I don't know. Pre-loved Takashi Murakami Cerise Agenda PM size. And the Agenda PM is actually the size of agenda that I personally like using on the go. However, I've been wanting a larger agenda for a long time, but there was never an agenda that was fun. And I'm now in my era where I want things that are a little bit more just ridiculous. So this is the Catagram collection. It has two cats in their pajamas and then one cat in the back. It actually looks like Bean, Lauren's cat. If you guys watch Lauren, I'm sure you guys watch Lauren L. Valikit. So yeah, one's Bean, named it Bean. So one's Bean, one's Waffles, and one is Butters. I think this is Bean, and this is Waffles and Butters. So this is what it looks like. I love it. Usually the desk agenda does not come with this piece where it holds the agenda together. I personally, because I am so used to using the Louis Vuitton Agenda PM size, I love having this because then it just keeps everything in together. But yeah, it just has a snap button closure, which is not common for the Louis Vuitton Agenda desk agenda. And then on the bottom here, it says Louis Vuitton, made in France, which is really lovely because now my piece is made in France. I don't know if these new things have the date codes because I think there's now a magnet or something that they place inside of it. So I don't recall if there's a date code in here. So if you do know if there's a date code, let me know. But the inside of the agenda is quite boring. It's just brown. Woo, I almost fell off my chair. It's just brown, and then there's no ring as you see here. So I actually did place an order with the Line Shop. I think Lauren uses the Line Shop, which is why I ended up placing an order with the Line Shop. They're Canadian, they're Vancouver based. I think she actually has a channel here. Her name's Reza, and she has a whole agenda, all the Louis Vuitton agendas. I think the GM, the MM, the PM, this size, the desk agenda. She has all the stuff that you can use for this. I ordered an insert for this and then something that I can slide inside so that the desk agenda it does have a ring binder type system. When I did order it, I ordered the ones with the tear, you can tear it in and out. I forget what they're called. I'm so horrible at this. Let me look it up. So I ended up ordering from the Line Shop the disc and disc bound notebook set, but I saw that she actually had a binder ring set. So I did email Reza to ask her if I can either cancel that order, or I just want to like switch over to the desk binder ring one, because I prefer having a binder ring instead of having the ones that you insert with discs. Those are really easy to tear in and out, like the sheets, but I prefer having like a punched hole. I don't know if that is like super weird, but that's just my preference. So hopefully she does respond. I know she's having high volume of orders lately, so she has not responded to me just yet. But I did order the transparent disc-bound notebook cover set of 2. I ordered the 2026 monthly calendar and lined planner inserts in the half letter size. That's what you use for the desk agenda, the half letter size. I also did order a customized, personalized dashboard in the half letter size. I ordered the essential 3-column notes planner inserts in the half letter size. I ordered the classic side tab planner dividers in the half letter size. To go with the disc-bound notebook, you have to order the discs separately. So I ordered the aluminum gold discs set of 8. And then I also, for my pocket agenda, I ordered the classic lined notes planner. That way I can put that in my 2 pocket agendas that I have. The Louis Vuitton Cerise one is going to become like a junk journal for me. This one, I was planning to make this into a junk journal, but honestly, I think I'm gonna get a lot of use out of it as a regular planner, because I really like to write big, and I'm finding that the PM size is like a little smidge small, so I might convert that one into like another junk journal too. I'm not gonna ever get rid of it or sell it or anything like that. It also has my initials in it, so yeah, I don't want to do that. But yeah, I'm excited to add this into my roster, just because it's going to be a lot of fun to, one, organize and, you know, decorate and stuff like that. Let me know if you guys want videos on it. I already do have some stickers and stuff that I wanted to use in this agenda to make it like very personalized and me. So I've already set that aside. Obviously you can see that I have them in there. In this agenda specifically, there is one pocket that folds out like this, and then a slip pocket on this side, and then a slip pocket on the other side. And that's where I'm going to slide the disc-bound notebook covers into, and then my agenda will just kind of be free range. I also want to mention I did order the larger discs, so if she's not able to switch me over to the like the ring agenda style board, then that's the one I'm just kind of stuck with. So that's fine and dandy, but like I do prefer having the ring ones where you can open and close. So hopefully she's able to do that for me. Anyways, hopefully if Reza, you're watching this, please email me back. Okay, please email me back. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Also, you can use Lauren's code for the line shop. It's Lauren10, I believe. That's the one I used. I used her code. Yeah, but let me know if you guys want like future like decorating videos, because I'm so excited. I used to make agenda PM videos on here, but then I kind of stopped because I stopped buying the Louis Vuitton inserts. But if you guys are interested in like agenda content, let me know, because I do love having a physical agenda. It's just so nostalgic for me, and also just something that I much prefer. I will forget it if I put it on my phone. So yeah, let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Follow me on Instagram _Hello Harley. Follow me on TikTok at Hello Harley, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.